about the grammar of darake. The grammar of darake is mean full of or covered with or a lot of something undesirable. That means many things is covered with something. So how to use? In Japanese, they will use noun with darake. So when you use the darake in Japanese, you should use only noun with darake. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of darake, we are going to learn and see some example of how to use. The first example, この公園は猫だらけだ。この公園は猫だらけだ。Which means there are cats all over this park. There are cats all over this park. The next, この部屋はゴミだらけだ。この部屋はゴミだらけだ。Which means this room is completely covered in garbage. This room is completely covered in garbage. The meaning of darake is when it's full by something. For in this sentence, for the first sentence, you see that in case of full by cats, many cats, right? So you can use in Japanese neko darake. If in this room is full by book, can say kyokasho or kami. Kami is mean paper. Is full by paper. So kami darake da. Something like this. The next example. Ima fuan darake desu. Ima fuan darake desu. Which means I'm super nervous right now. I'm super nervous right now. This means you feel not so safe, or you feel too afraid, so you cannot control yourself. So you can say fuan darake this. The next, 泥だらけの手でパソコンを触らないで。泥だらけの手でパソコンを触らないで。Which means don't touch the computer with muddy hands. Don't touch the computer with muddy